Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the short update on Uranium Energy Corporation, shortly named UEC on Commodity TV. Another bang for the buck at Uranium Energy Corporation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Company and Rio Tinto agreed on the purchase of the world-class Roughrider uranium project by UEC from Rio Tinto. Roughrider is in the development phase in Canada and is considered highly prospective. UEC is paying a total of $150 million. This amount is made up of $80 million in cash and $70 million in UEC shares. As a result, Rio Tinto will become a shareholder of UEC with around 17.81 million UEC common shares at a price of $3.93 per share. The cash portion is fully funded by UEC's $173 million cash and cash equivalents on its balance sheet. Why is UEC now acquiring Roughrider? Well, considering that Rio Tinto acquired Heather Exploration, which had the Roughrider project as its largest asset in a $654 million takeover battle in 2011, UEC is paying a bargain price. The development stage Roughrider project has a long-term historical resource of 58 million pounds at an average grade of 4.73% U3O8 in the eastern Athabasca Basin in Canada, where 10% of global uranium production was recovered in 2021. There are direct value enhancements and immediate synergies with the recent UEX acquisition. Roughrider will be a 100% owned cornerstone that, when combined with UEX Corporation's recently acquired projects in the eastern Athabasca area, will provide UEC with a critical mass of resources to enhance future production plans. UEC's recently acquired projects located near Roughrider include Raven Horseshoe, Hidden Bay and Christie Lake. This gives UEC control of the largest diversified resource base after Cameco and Orano, spread across multiple deposits in Canada's Athabasca Basin. The infrastructure is also top-notch. There are over 20 uranium deposits, 5 current and past producing mines, and 2 uranium mills within 100 kilometers of Roughrider, providing excellent infrastructure for future development, including all-weather road infrastructure, an all-weather airstrip within 7 kilometers, and a robust power grid fed primarily by renewable hydroelectric sources. Since acquiring Roughrider in 2012, Rio Tinto, one of the largest and most experienced mine builders in the world, has undertaken extensive pre-production and environmental baseline work, including completion of specialized geotechnical drilling, shaft and sinkhole modeling, installation of hydrogeological monitoring wells, terrestrial and aquatic environmental assessments, cultural heritage assessment, endangered species assessments, and conceptual reclamation plans. This provides a solid foundation and significant value to the completion of the upcoming technical reports, efficiently moving the project toward a production decision. UES thus becomes the fastest growing uranium company in the world. With the acquisitions of Uranium One Americas and UEX and now Rio Tinto's Roughrider, they have invested $570 million to build the largest diversified uranium company in North America. Next, UEC will complete an updated summary of the SK1300 technical report based on the more than 650 diamond drill holes that have been completed, totaling approximately 225,000 meters of drilling on the project. UEC is currently working with consultants to provide an update to the technical report in the coming months. Secondly, UEC intends to advance the permitting process and a production study for Roughrider and optimize its integration into UEC's existing Canadian platform. So, UEC stock is really cheap to get into for those of us who think uranium and nuclear energy are essential if we want to drive electric cars on a large scale around the world, expect baseload power, and want to be emission-free on the road as well. Our price target stands at $12 to $15 for the UEC stock over the next 30 months. Please note the disclaimer that appears now. The stock discussed is part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate, and I'm a shareholder, of course, in UEC stock and company. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Austria today.